In a commendable initiative to acknowledge the accomplishments of 50 outstanding students in the Sohiong Constituency, the Khasi Students Union Sohiong Circle hosted the 16th Mait Shaphrang Award Ceremony on the 8th of December 2023 at the Sohiong Presbyterian Secondary School. The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, graced the event as the chief guest, alongside the guest of honor and MDC of Sohiong-Nongspung constituency, Sherbor Mawlong, as well as students and teachers from various schools in the constituency. Addressing the assembly, the president of the KSU Sohiong Circle highlighted early marriage as a prominent factor contributing to reduced enthusiasm for learning among students in the region. He passionately urged upon the youth to avoid such practices, emphasizing the potential for a brighter future by doing so. Pyniaid Sing Syiem, the chief guest on the occasion, commended the meritorious students for their outstanding achievements, expressing confidence that their success would serve as a motivating example for the aspiring young minds throughout Sohiong constituency.
Kilaban om ba kali kabalit rehana naso ba kalong kabalit re kabadan kam bat kabakongsan hadu kata mo kalong very small but very meaningful balik kalong utan nomor ba ban itu ya kajing trishton jo kisamla haki jing trishton jo ki khamtam hakapuli uthi ki exams ki bagi layuat ki jingjob kabangi day ban itu terbang yang di longway ban acknowledge ya ke trishton tu ki haki kelas ki degree per kibab la pendap uji kule namal kumala sutu lese kasen kelas trishton ban perlong ini program kabak kijimut hadu kata ka program kabak nagalian ka KSU la sutu bak kaju perlong jan manusnan dia ngaso ban ai ke jing keshan chispa ikut ini program nama ba ka lawe jungi ka ri bakaja temlio ka syong hakap mentah ka jungi kumnu mi saindor ya ka mentah ka jungi ladangi kumki nongelam haka sinsha ka khada kumki nongelam haka seng balang haki shnong ki thau ni kelek bat ni matla no ban ni ya kumki ni program berekam let's say kalau we jumki samla jumki isikan pembakalan lagi